Hello team, welcome to Java and Selenium training. Okay, so this today we are going to cover, we have to start Java basics, what exactly Java is all about, and why Java is really important to learn Selenium. First thing I wanted to mention in this particular training that without Selenium or without Java, you cannot imagine about automation. And without Java, you cannot imagine about Selenium automation. Although Selenium supports multiple languages, there are a lot of languages are available in the market like Java, C Sharp, .NET, Python, PHP, Perl, Node.js, JavaScript. A lot of languages are available. But Java with Selenium is the best combination in the market. Either it's in the US or in Europe or in India market. A lot of companies. I must say that around 90% of the companies they are working on Selenium with Java combination. Okay, so Java is really important. If you guys having some manual testing background or you are a fresher or you don't have any computer science background or something like that, I think this is the best training that I can give it to you. First, you need to learn Java. Java is really important. But I'm not talking about advanced Java stuffs. Advanced Java is not at all required. Only the basic core Java programming is required. See, it's like whenever you want to get into IT or any IT field or any computer science skills, you need at least one basic programming you should know if you want to get into any IT company or if you want to switch your job. Because these days, scenarios has been changed. These days, if you are a manual tester also, people are looking for at least some basic programming knowledge. If you have those skills, you can crack interviews. And it's not at all rocket science. But yes, it's not overnight journey also. Okay. So the only thing I'm expecting from you guys is the practice. Okay, the practice is really important for this particular training. I'm giving you guarantee for this that after 3 4 days you will feel that yes, you are actually writing the code by seeing these videos and by seeing particular training sessions. Okay, and once this training will be completed, I'm giving you 100% surety and guarantee that yes, after 25 days, you will see the changes in you that yes, you are able to write the code in Selenium, you are able to write the code in Java, you're able to understand any existing framework, how to design the framework from the scratch. Okay, everything you will get to know. That is my guarantee for sure. Okay, so this training is all about, is divided into two parts. First is Java and the second thing is Selenium. Okay, so first Java is, it will take around 8 to 10 days. Okay, 8 to 10 typical sessions, because I don't want to compromise in Java. Java is really important. Okay, because if a telephonic interview round is there and a 30 minutes round of there, so definitely they will ask first 10 to 20 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes on Java, and then they will check your Selenium skills and manual testing skills and other things. Okay, so today we are going to cover what is Java, what are the different basic things in Java. Okay, so these are the topics. If you can see my screen, what is Java, why Java is important to learn Selenium. Okay, what is Eclipse? Okay, where exactly we have to write our code. My first Java programming in Eclipse. Okay, we will write our first Java code in Eclipse. Data types in Java. What is system.out.println if you want to print on the console? What, how to get the output? String concatenation, different comparison operators in Java, different if-else conditions, looping in Java, array concepts, advantages of disadvantages of array. Okay, so I have very good content. We will discuss about all those things. Okay, step by step. Okay, so this training, especially for, I would like to mention one thing that if you are having manual testing background or if you don't have any programming background or something like that, don't worry about those things. We will start from zero. We will start from scratch. Okay, don't zero, we will start from -1. Okay, so this training is all about, first we will learn about Java. Okay, so what is Java? See, Java is a typical computer science programming language. Okay, it's a computer programming language, and this programming is all about, okay, it's a very high level language. This generally is called object oriented programming concept. Okay, so we will discuss about object-oriented programming things and all those things later. But yes, this training is related to core Java programming things. So what is Java? As I told you that Java is a programming language and it's freely available in the market. It's an open source technology. Okay, freely available in the market. You can just download from their website and you can start using it. Okay. Now the thing is, Java programming language, you can support Selenium. Okay. So Java initially developed by, there is a company. Sun Microsystem. Okay, but later around 3-4 years back, it was acquired by Oracle, and nowadays Oracle is releasing the different versions of Java. Okay, so as I in the previous session I told you that okay, how to download Java, how to Selenium, how to download Eclipse, and all those things. We have already covered those things. Okay, so in this particular training, we will write, we will discuss about what exactly Java, what exactly Eclipse, and all those things. Okay, if you make sure that Java, Eclipse, everything is configured and installed that I mentioned in my first session, okay, please look into that first session. It's very easy to install. Why it's important? Because once you join some company and once you get the new laptop or new machine, you have to configure entire things. So you know Java and Selenium, but you don't know how to exactly configure and install all those things on your laptop. It's really embarrassing. Okay, your manager will say that okay, no, you have to do this and you have to install everything, you have to configure everything. You should know how to configure all these things. So please go through my first session. Okay, everything is available. Everything I mentioned over there explained properly. Please go through. Okay, so there are a lot of advantages with Java. The first advantage is it's open source. Open source means it's license free tool. Okay, nobody is no you don't need to pay for it. Okay, it's freely available in the market. Okay, you just go to Oracle site, download according to the what kind of platform you are using, either it is MacBook, Windows, Linux, Unix, whatever the machine you are using, you can download, you can configure, and you can start working on Java. So this is license-free programming language, and it's platform independent. What do you mean by platform independent? Mean it works on each and every platform. Either it is your Linux machine, Unix machine, MacBook, Windows 7, 8, whatever the machine. Okay, operating systems are available. It's platform operating system independent. It's Java programming language. Okay, so this is all about basic things about Java. We will discuss some more things about Java later, step by step. But why Java is important to learn Selenium? Because Selenium is also built on the basis of some API, some programming interfaces available in Java. Okay, so for writing the code in Selenium having their own methods, own libraries, own functions. But if you want to implement those functions and libraries, okay, you need some programming language. And the Java is the best programming language to support Selenium. Okay, so that's why I cannot start my sessions with directly with Selenium. Why? Because to learn Java before Selenium is really important. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand a single line in Java. This thing is really important. Okay, okay. So as I mentioned in the first session, that how to install Eclipse and all, how to configure Eclipse and everything. Okay, how to download and all. So let me open my Eclipse. So if I'm using MacBook. If you are a Windows user, simple. I think it will create one icon. So as I mentioned in the first session, just click on that icon. In MacBook, you just need to search for Eclipse here. Okay, just click on Eclipse. So it will start Eclipse. Okay, so let it configure. It will few seconds, few minutes to start to initialize. So Eclipse is an editor tool, okay, where we cannot write our code in Notepad or Word document, right? We need a very smart editor so that we can write some code, we can execute our code automatically, all the methods and all the classes we can get, okay? So Eclipse is a very important, very famous editor tool, although there are other editor tools are also available that supports Java, like NetBeans is there, Spring frameworks are there, and Eclipse is very famous. 90% of the companies they are working on Eclipse. It's easy, it's very user friendly. Okay, so Eclipse is also called IDE, Integrated Development Environment. It means it will give you some environment to execute to write your code, your Java code, so that you can write it, you can compile it, and you can execute it, and you will get the output. Okay, okay. So this is the first screen that select a workspace. So workspace means your location, your project location. See, whenever I write my code, it's not like I'll have to write my code somewhere in C drive, and next time I'll write in my on my desktop, and next time I'll write it in D drive or some folder. There should be a proper maintenance, right? There should be a proper workspace location, right, where you have to write the code, where you have to save your entire code somewhere, right? So you will have to create on your laptop a special location where You will write all your projects, everything, all the classes, files related to Java and your project, you will store over there, right? So this is called workspace. Okay, so you have to create any workspace. By default, this is a workspace. You can create any workspace. You can browse. You can create any folder. Let's see. I'll browse and I'll create my workspace somewhere on my let's see, on my documents folder. So I'll go to documents. I'll create a new folder, and the new folder is, let's see, Java training. Okay, so I'll create a new workspace folder, Java training, and just create it. The Java training folder will be created, and just open it. It will give you the path of, and if you are using Windows machine, you can create it anywhere in C drive, D drive, or in C drive you can create some folder and you can give the path accordingly. That would be your workspace location. Okay, so just select document and Java training. Okay, and click on OK. So now the Eclipse, the physical location. Okay, Eclipse will create that particular physical location in my documents folder. Okay, so let it initialize. Okay, let it open. It's loading the workbench, everything, and then Eclipse will be open. Okay, initially for the first time, because it's creating the workspace and everything, so it takes time sometimes. Okay, but yeah, next time within 5 6 seconds it will be open. Okay, so let it launch, and then okay. So today we are going to cover what are the different aspects of like Selenium things and all. Okay, and what are the, why Selenium is important in terms of in terms of automation, in terms of and why Java is really important in terms of Selenium things and all. Okay, today we will discuss all those things. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so this is the Eclipse screen, and this is the first screen you will get it. Okay, so this is the first welcome screen. You just need to close this particular screen. This is the first time welcome screen. So welcome to Eclipse. Okay, so we have two major sections here. This is called left hand section and this is called right hand section. Just close this outline. We don't need this outline, and just close this task list also. So majorly we have two important sections. Okay, this is called your left hand screen and this is called your right hand screen. Okay, so in left hand screen we will create our projects, we will create our folders, folder structure, classes and everything. And on the right hand side we will write our code. Okay, so let's create our first project. So whenever you have to write your Java program, whenever you have to, whenever you will join some project, okay, in your company or anywhere, first thing you have to open your Eclipse, give the workspace location and create the project. This is really important. Create the project. Okay. So how to create the object? How to create the project? Object, sorry. So just go to file. This is the file menu. Click on new and click on project. And obviously we have to create Java project. The number of options are available. Just click on Java and click on Java project. Okay, click on next. Okay, so okay, after clicking on next, it will ask you to write, okay, give the project name. Okay, so you have to give the project name. So like see, project name is Java. You can give any project name, Java training session. Okay, Java training session. This is the project name. But the naming convention is should be like this. See, in Java training session, I have three words: Java training and session. The J is capital, T capital, and S is capital. Okay, so whenever you have to give any project name, if a project name having multiple one or two or more than two names, make sure the first letter of each and every word should be capital. Okay, like this. It's a good practice. Java training session. J capital, T capital, A, S is capital. Okay, and then just click on next. Okay, and click on finish. That's it. Okay, and click on this. Yes. Okay, click on finish. So it will create one Java project. Okay, so one Java project has been created. Okay, so okay. So can you see my left hand side screen, Java training session, this project has been created. Under this project, so this is my project, we have one important folder that is called SRC folder. So SRC means source code. Okay, so this is my main, you can say Java project, this is, you can say main folder. Inside this particular main folder, we have SRC folder. And this project is associated with JRE system library. Remember in the first session, we downloaded JDK 1.7, JRE 1.7. That means Java runtime environment is available with your project. It means 1.7 Java version is associated with your project so that you can write your Java code. Okay, so Eclipse is very smart. Eclipse will automatically include or associate this particular Java runtime environment, this Java 1.7 version with your project whenever you create any Java project. Okay, so you don't need to manually associate or something like that. Okay, so why this JRE system library, if you open this, number of jar files are available. Why these jar files? We are not bothered about it. These jar files are provided by Oracle, okay, provided by Java team. A number of classes, interfaces, methods, number of things are available. All the libraries are available inside this particular jar files. We just need to add these libraries with your project. That's it. Okay, now Eclipse will automatically, okay, Eclipse will automatically fetch all the libraries, all the classes, methods, functions, everything from these libraries. Okay, this is the first thing. Make sure that JRE system library should be associated with your project. Otherwise, some problem is there with your Eclipse. Okay, okay. So Java training session has been associated. Can you see that this J icon is available here? It means this is Java project. If J, small j is there, can you see that this J, this is your Java project. And under SRC, we will write, okay, we will create number of files, number of classes, packages, folders, everything we will create over here. Okay. The first thing in SRC folder, what exactly I have to do, I have to write my code inside the SRC. SRC means source code. Okay. So just right click on SRC folder. Okay. Go to new and create one package. Now what is package? Okay. Package means just like a folder. Okay. And let's see. I have around 100 files. Some files are related to, let's see, some functionality. Let's see, search functionality. Some files are related to some inbox functionality. Let's take an example of Gmail application. Some functionality, some code is related to delete mails. Some code is related to some other functionality, Outlook, log out and everything. So we cannot write these 100 files in a single project, in a single, not single project, in a single folder. Okay, so we will divide our code. Let's see, all search related classes and files have to be stored in something, in some other different folder. All inbox related functionality or inbox related code should be available in this particular package. So package wise, okay, package is just like a folder. Okay, so package wise we will create, okay, we will maintain our code, we will decorate our code accordingly. Okay, we will manage our classes and files and everything in the form of packages. Okay, so let's see, give any package name. It should be capital. Let's see, I'll give my package name is Java Basics. Okay, this is my package name, Java Basics. Okay, and click on finish. So you will see that this Java Basics package has been created. Okay, so when Java Basics package has been created under this SRC folder. And on top of SRC folder, we have Java training session. So this is your main folder. Then one SRC folder, one subfolder is there, and one Java Basic folder is there. Okay, now you remember I have created my workspace on my documents folder. So I'll go to my documents folder and we'll see inside this particular documents folder, I have given my project name as I have given Java training sessions. Okay, Java training. See, today we have created today 12:40. Okay, so just open this. You will see that Java training session, this project is available now. Now you can compare. This is your Eclipse Java training session. You open Java training session. You will get one SRC folder. See, SRC folder is there. Under this SRC folder, Java Basics folder should be there. So under this SRC folder, Java Basics folder is there. And inside this Java Basics, nothing is written. Okay, so exact folder structure will be created in your workspace. Okay, okay. And these are the some supporting files are available: class path, dot project, dot settings. Okay, just ignore these are the hidden files. Don't change anything in the hidden files. And one bin folder is also created. I'll tell you what is bin folder later, but make sure src folder should be created and the exact folder structure should be available inside your workspace. Okay. Okay. Now what exactly I'll do, okay, let me open my eclipse. I'll create my first, okay, we will write our first code. Okay, but where exactly I have to write the code? This is the problem. Okay, not exactly the problem, but we should know where exactly. I cannot write some program directly from here because we cannot write it over here directly. So we have to write the code in classes, in the form of classes. So what is a class and everything, we will discuss it later. Step by step, we will move further. But inside this project, okay, inside this package, you have to create one class. So just right click, go to new and create a class. So always remember, whenever you have to write, okay, a program or code in Java, we have to create classes. Okay, we cannot write a program without classes. Okay, so you have to create a class. Let's see, my class name is, and the yes, in Java, the naming convention, the naming standard of any class, it should be start with capital letter. Okay, it should be started with capital letter. Okay, class name. So let's see, my first class name is, today we will learn about data types. Okay, simple data types. What are the different data types are available? Okay, and click on this main method. Now, what is main method and all those things, we will discuss it later. Just hold on. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, so don't worry what exactly the main method, why we are selecting these things, we will cover each and everything, but step by step. Just be with me. What exactly main method is all about, we will discuss it. Just select this checkbox, okay, and click on finish. One thing right now, as of now, you just remember one thing, that Java program, whenever you want to execute your class or whenever you want to execute your Java program, make sure that main method is available or not. If the main method is available there, then only you can execute your code. Then only you can execute your program. Why? Because if main method is not there, Java will be confused that, oh, main method is not there, I cannot execute this program. Okay, so make sure whenever you create a class, you have to select the main method checkbox and then you have to launch it. Okay, so once you create this data types.java class has been created. Now what is .java? See, whenever you create a file in Notepad, the extension is, the file extension is .txt. For PPT file .ppt. For documents file .doc. For Excel file .xls. Okay, same thing whenever you create a Java file, the file extension will be .file. Okay, sorry, .java. Sorry. Okay, .java. So this is my class data types dot Java. So one class will be created under this particular package, and you will see the same class will be created inside your, go to src Java basics and data types dot Java has been created. Okay, and this is your Java source means Java file. Okay, now so data types dot Java has been created, and the right hand side you will see that one class has been created, data types. This class has been created. Okay, and inside this particular class we have one main method. So sample code will be given to you. Okay, now what will happen? What exactly this code is all about? So first line you will see that package Java basics. So it's really important to define the package, to mention the package, in which package your class is available. So this class is available in Java basics. So automatically Eclipse will create package Java basics. So what is package? Package is a keyword already available in Java, and all the keywords should start with small letter. Always remember this thing. So package Java basics, okay, is your package name, semicolon. Okay, I'll tell you what is semicolon later. But yes, Java basics, one package is available, and inside this package, this class is available. But how will you get to know that this is my class? By seeing this class keyword. Okay, so this class keyword is, okay, this class keyword means is representing that yes, this is a class. And what is my class name? Class name is data types. Okay, so class is a keyword, and obviously class keyword should be started with small letters. Okay, these are already defined keywords are available in Java language. Okay, so C is a small. Public is also a keyword already available in Java. It is also called access modifier. Although there is a separate topic on access modifier where we will discuss about what is public, what is private, what is protected and default things. But right now, just remember one thing: public means this class is publicly available for everyone. It means I can execute, I can access this class from anywhere inside my project. Okay, okay. Now, public class data types. Data types class is available inside this. Okay, one more thing. After data types, this is your class body. Okay, this is your class body. It means after this curly braces is written over there, right? It means my data types class body is getting started here, and if you double click on it, it will give you the entire class body, and this is class is getting ended over here. Okay, so this is my class starting here and ending here. Okay, and this is the main method. Inside the main method, we will write our code. Okay, so now what is public, what is a static, what is void? Don't worry, guys. Okay, we will discuss these things later. After 2 sessions, we will discuss. Okay, once we will go through the functions and all those things, then you will understand. Then you will get to know what is a static, what is void. Okay, why we are passing this string args and all these things. But as of now, just remember one thing: this is the main method, and you cannot change the name. See, m is a small. Main method is already defined, okay, in Java. So make sure that yes, main method should be there in your Java program, then only you can execute. See why I am covering all these things, because these things are really important. It shows your knowledge. Yes, at the time of interview, if your basics are clear, why main method is important, what is method body, what is class body, okay, these things will really help you. Initially it takes time. Okay, so make sure that yes, once you join some project and once you're taking any interview, these things should be covered. Otherwise, there is no use of that. If I directly start, okay, this is main method and we will write our code in main method, but what is the purpose and all those things, we are not discussing about it. That's why this training is all about. I will focus on each and every small things. Okay, so that your basics, okay, will be covered from the scratch, from the beginning. Okay, okay. Now this is the main method. Okay, this is the main method. This is again method bodies starting here and ending here. Okay, okay. So top hierarchy is your project. I mean, sorry, your class. This is your class. Inside the class, we will write a. This is your main method, and inside the main method, we will write a. But what is this green line starting with double slash? This is called comment. Now, what do you mean by comments? Comments means some documentation, some information about your code. Like information means who wrote this code, who developed this code, when when did you write this particular code, and what exactly this code is all about. If you want to give some information about this particular code, what exactly the purpose of this code. So these kind of information, some proper English sentence we will write, some proper some documentation we will write. Okay, not in Java code, obviously. Some simple English we will write. Okay, that okay, what exactly the purpose of this code, what exactly why we are writing this code. So let's say after 2 months, a new guy, let's say I join your project and look into your project and look into your script and code, and I'll see that okay, I'm not going to, my first impression will be like, okay, I'll look into your comment section, your document section. I'm not going to go through your entire code, from the first day. I'll see, okay, what exactly the purpose of this particular code and everything. So we will see in the form of comments. Okay, so comments is really important. It's a good practice to give the comments. Okay, so how to give comments? So there are two types of comments: one line comment and multiple line comment. Let's see. I'll write some comment. Um, Hi, this is my first Java code. Okay, I'll write this comment. Hi, this is my first Java code. So this is simple English sentence. It's not a Java, right? It's not a Java programming language, right? So how to comment? Simple, write double slash, and the entire line will be converted into green color. Okay, so this is called comment. Hi, this is my first Java code. Okay, now why, whenever you execute this particular Java code, Java will see that, okay, this line is getting started with double slash, forward double slash. These things should be ignored. So Java will ignore these lines. Okay. Second type of comment, let's see, I have some paragraph, 2-3 lines you want to write like this. Hi, this is my first Java code and I'm so happy. Okay, hi, this is my first Java code. I'm so happy. Simple, some sentence you are writing like this. Okay, some paragraph. 4 lines are there. So how to comment these 4 lines? So first option, you can individually each and every line you can comment like this. Okay, but this is a pain, right? Let's say you have 10 lines of comment. So every time you have to write 10 times double slash, double slash, double slash. Okay, so the one thing is one option is available. Just put slash from where you want to start your comment. Put slash and start, and where exactly you want to close your comment, end your comment. Here, right? Just start and slash. That's it. It means this entire paragraph, these 4 lines will be commented. Okay, okay, okay. So this is how we write the comment. Okay, so these comments will be ignored by Java compiler. Whenever you execute your Java code, Java will ignore these lines. Okay, because Java will see that, okay, these are comments, these lines will be ignored. Okay. Now this is the main method. So we will write our code inside the main method. So main method is what? Main method is the beginning of the, what is main method? Main method is the starting of your program, starting or execution point. Okay, starting or execution point of the program. Okay, so main method is starting and execution point of the program. It means whenever you execute your program, Java first will see that, okay, main method is there or not. Yeah, it will directly jump to main method. It will see that yes, main method is there. It will come inside the main method, and this is the main method body, starting here and ending here. It will come inside the main method. Let me delete this line because this is a commenting line. So this is the main method. Okay, okay. So we will, okay, Java will come inside the main method, and the today topic we will cover data types. So what do you mean by data types? Data types means how exactly you are representing your data. Okay, what kind of types of data? Like data means some integer data, okay, some decimal data, some characters, some string values, some Boolean values. Okay, so let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are called numbers are called integers. Either it is negative number or positive numbers. Okay, these are called integers, pure integers. Like 0 is also one integer. So less than 0, greater than 0, and equal to 0. These are called integers. Okay, like 1 to infinite, these are called integers. 0 is integer. -1 to minus infinite, that is also called integer. The first data type, okay, is integer. So how to declare an integer? Simple. Integer is a keyword. You just write int. Okay, and you have to declare one variable, just like simple mathematics. X equal to 10 and y equal to 20. So simple, I'll write int I equal to 10. Okay, so int I equal to 10 will be created. Int I equal to 10. So what is int? Int is called data type, and it's a keyword. Obviously, I told you, right? Keyword should be started with your small letter, not the capital letter. Okay, so I is small. So int I equal to 10. What is I? I is the variable, and what is 10? 10 is the value. Okay, so if you write this line, let me show you. So what exactly will happen? I'll show you through some diagram. Let me open my paint. Okay, so what will happen whenever you write this line, int I equal to 10? What will happen? Inside the Java memory, see there is a huge Java memory is available. This is called a big Java memory. Okay, a very huge Java memory will be given to by your operating system. Okay, huge Java memory will be given to your Java so that you can store your variables, functions, method, everything. Number of entities you can store over there. So forget about those memory things and all. It's a very complex and very different thing. So we are not very much bothered about those things. But yes, from basic point of view, whenever you declare any variable int I equal to 10, so inside this entire Java memory world, what will happen? One small part will be given to this particular I. Okay, this is like a very big city, and if one person is there, one small location will be given to that particular person. What is your variable name? I. Variable name is I. Okay, and this is I. So this is okay on this particular location. One person is living. That person is I. Okay, that variable is I. And what exactly the value of this I? I is 10. Okay, the value is I is 10. Okay, so this is integer. Yes, int I equal to 10 will be given to this particular in Java memory. So just like this. Okay, so now int I equal to 10. Okay, I cannot create like this. Int I is equal to 20. This is not allowed. See, it will give you one red line error. Duplicate variables are not allowed. I have already taken IE, so it will give you duplicate local variable I. So I cannot take one more I. This is the concept. I cannot create duplicate variables. Okay, so int I equal to 10 I have already taken. I equal to 20 I cannot. See, it will check inside the memory. Oh, I equal to 10 already taken. How can you create one more I? Okay, so variable should be unique. Okay, so I cannot write like this, but I can write like this. I equal to 20. Why? Because int I equal to 10 I've already created. Okay, so one memory location will be given to I and the value is 10. Now I equal to 20. It means I'm replacing the value of 10 by 20. Okay, so now what is the latest value of I now? 20. So instead of this 10, the new value will be 20. Okay, it will replace this 20. Okay, replace this 10 by 20. So the new value will be 20. Okay, so what is the latest value of I now? I equal to 20. First 10 will be given to I, then 20 will be given to I. It means at a time I can store only one value. Okay, in a single variable, either 10 or 20. The latest value you have written I equal to 20. It means the latest value 20 will be given to I. Okay, this is allowed. But if you're writing like this int I equal to 20, it means you are declaring a new variable. And if variable name is same, it means local duplicate variables are not allowed. Similarly, I can declare n number of variables. Let's see, int j is equal to 30, right? Int k is equal to 40. Like this, I can declare n number of variables. Okay, but I'm putting semicolon after these things. In Java, there is a rule. This is a standard thing. Whenever you're writing any statement, so each and every statement should be ended. Statement line should be ended with a semicolon. Okay, so int I equal to 10, it's a statement. Okay, it should be ended with semicolon. But you can ask why I'm not writing semicolon here, because this is not the statement. This is a function. Main is the method or function. This is the class. I'm not writing semicolon here. Why? Because this is a class. But this is the statement. Package JavaBasics, you are declaring one statement, right? That this class is available in this particular package, JavaBasics. So you have to write semicolon over here. Okay, so semicolon should be provided at the end of each and every statement line. If you don't write any semicolon, immediately it will give you error. See, it will give you red line cross or error. See red line? That syntax error. Insert semicolon to complete block statements. Okay, you have to write semicolon. Okay, now save it. Okay, so int j equal to 30, k equal to 40. I cannot write like this. Let's see, I'll create one more, l equal to 12.33. This is not allowed. Why? Because 12.33 is a decimal number, a double number, floating value, right? Point value. So these things are not allowed. In integer, only and only pure integer numbers are allowed. Okay, so these things are not allowed. So I can store -1. Yes, I can store -1. Why? Because minus is also an integer. It's minus integer number, negative integer number. I can write like this: int p is equal to 0. 0 also I can use. Why? Because p is 0 integer number. Okay, so 0 I can use. Some negative numbers I can use, some positive numbers I can use. Okay, so these things are allowed in integer, but decimal numbers are not allowed. Okay, so this is called integer. First thing is integer. Second data type is double. Double means floating value. It means just like this. Double, how to declare? Double is the keyword. With double we will declare d is equal to 12.33. So once again, inside the memory, one location will be created like this. Okay, the name of this location is d, and 12.33 is the value. Okay, 12.33 is the value. Simple like this. Okay, so double d is equal to 12.33. Similarly, I can write like this: double, let's see, create one more variable, d1 is equal to 34.44. I can write like this. I can write like this: double d2 is equal to 100. Yes, I can write like this. I can store some positive, okay, some integers also in d2 in double values. Why? Because this 100 will be treated as 100.00. Okay, so I can store, this is the concept, I can store integers in double, but I cannot store double in integers. Okay, okay, so these are the doubles. Third is character. Char, we generally say char. So how to define characters? Simple, by using char keyword, char, and keyword should be started with small letter. So c is a small. Let's see, char c1. Let's see, c is equal to, character means either it is spatial character, some alphabetic character, or some numeric character. But characters should be written, okay, all the characters should be written within single quotes like this. Just write single quotes, and let's see, this is my character A and semicolon. Okay, A is my character. It should be written within single quotes. A is what? Alphabetic character, A, B, C, D, and all those things. Okay, I can write like this. Char C1 is also equal to capital A. This is my, okay, capital alphabetic characters. Okay, I can write like this also. Character C2 is equal to 1. Okay, this is also allowed. This is my, now here the 1 is not an integer because I have written within the single quotes. Okay, 1 is written within a single quote, so this thing, this 1 will be treated as a character. Okay, but this is not allowed. Double A is not allowed. Okay, why double A? Because character should be a single digit value. Okay, so double digit or more than 2 digits or more than 1 digit is not allowed. Okay, it should be single digit value. Let me write single digit value. Okay, only single digit value. Okay, okay, and should be written within single quotes. Okay, so char c equal to a, c1 equal to a, c2 equal to 1. I can write some special characters also. C3 is equal to, let's see, dollar. So this is my special character. Okay, so I can write like this. Now the fourth one is Boolean. Okay, what is Boolean? Boolean means either true or false, like this. So Boolean again is a keyword. Okay, Boolean b small. Boolean b1 is equal to, let's see, true. Either it can be true or false. Either it can be 0 or 1. Okay, so Boolean b1 equal to true or Boolean b2 equal to, let's see, I'll create one more variable. Boolean b2 is equal to false. Okay, so I have two variables, Boolean b1 equal to true, Boolean b2 equal to false. Okay, so what is the value of b1? True or false? b2 true or false. Okay, but yes, I cannot store any other values except true or false. So these true or false are keyword available in Java. So again, it's a very small interview question, that true or false are keywords or value. Yes, these are values, but these are also keywords. Already keywords are available in Java. Okay. Okay. Fifth is string. Now what is a string, guys? A string is not a data type. Always remember. Okay. A string is a class. So let me write is a class, not a data type. But yes, we can use as a data type for string values. Okay, so how to use? Simple. So I told you, right? String is a class. Simple. S is capital. A string. Okay, let's see one variable. So a string is a cat class. So S is capital. So a string S equal to, and string should be written within double quotes like this. Let's see, I'll write hello world. Semicolon. Okay, I'll write string S1 is equal to Selenium. Okay, I can write some long string also. String S2 is equal to, let's see, I'll write hi, this is my Java code. You can write anything, whatever you are writing. Okay, some typo. String S3 is equal to, let's see, I'll write 1000. So this 1000 is not a numeric value and not an integer value. 1000, I have written 1000 within double quotes. So this 1000 will be treated as a string. Okay, so strings are always written within double quotes. I can write anything like within the double quote. String S4 is equal to, let's see some decimal value, 12.33 also. So this 12.33 is not a double value actually. Okay, because I have written within the double quotes, so this thing will be treated as a string. Okay, so always remember a string is a class, not a data type. Okay, they will ask you at a time of interview that a string is a class or data type. No, string is not a data type. Okay, so one concept here. So we have covered integer, double, character, boolean, and a string. So what are the okay, so these top four, integer, double, character, and boolean, are called primitive data types. Primitive data types. So again, it's a very important interview question. Integer, double, character, and boolean. Okay, they might ask at a time of online interview questions, some online paper or rapid fire rounds are there. So they will ask, the string is primitive data type or not? No, the string is not. What are different primitive data types? Integer, double, character, boolean. These are my primitive data types. Primitive data types. Okay, but a string is a class, not a data type. Okay, so this is an important interview question. Now, see. So these are number of variables I have declared according to the different data types. Now, if you run this program, okay, before running this program, what exactly I want to print something on my output. I want to get some output from this particular program. So how to get the output? One thing is there. Let's see, I want to print the value of j. So what is the value of j? Let's see, whenever you declare, after that, you can print the value of j. So how to print? There is a, okay, one command, or you can say one function is there. So system is a class. System dot out dot print ln is the method, and whenever you write system dot out dot print ln, and you can pass anything. Okay, let's see, I'll pass j. Okay, system dot out dot print ln j, so it will print the value of j on the output screen. Now what is output screen? Output screen is also called console. Okay, so in some programming language we say console, in some programming language we say output, but both are same thing. Okay, so let's run this program. So how to run Java program? Just right click anywhere, go to run as, and run as Java application. Okay, always remember run as Java application. Just select it, and you will see that console screen has been created. Okay, this is your console screen, and 30 is getting printed. What is the value of j? J is 30 is getting printed here. Okay, now I want to print the value of n. So after that I can print. So there's a shortcut. No need to write system.out.println again and again. So there's a shortcut SYSO, and just press control space. Control space. Okay, there's a shortcut SYSO, and then control space. Automatically this statement will be generated and just pass n. so L will be printed. So let's run it. Right click, run as Java application. So it will print -1 on the console. Okay, let's see. I want to print the value of now D1. So simple system.out.println D1. D1 is 34.44. So I can execute my program directly from here. This is a shortcut. Okay, and you see that this run data types. This is your run icon. You just click on it. 34.44 is getting printed. Right. Similarly, you can print characters, booleans. Let's say I want to print now the value of S2. System.out.println again SYSO and control space. So let's see S2. S2 is what? Hi, this is my Java code. Okay, so it will be printed. Let's run it. Hi, this is my Java code. Okay, this is my Java code is getting printed over here. Okay, you can print like this also. Let's see, I want to print system.out.println let's see I plus j. I plus j. Now what is the value of I plus j? Simple addition. I is latest value I is 20 and j is 30. So 20 plus 30, 50 should be printed. Okay, 50 should be printed. So let's run it. Run as Java application. Let's see, 50 is getting printed over. Okay, always remember, let's say I want to print the value of d, but you can print the value of d only and only after its declaration, because I have declared d here. So only after this particular line I can print the value of d. How can you print the value of d before double d, right? Before the declaration, I cannot write like this d. See, it will give you error immediately. Why? Because d is not recognized. D cannot be resolved to a variable. Why? Because you are declaring d over here, and before that you are trying to print on the console the value of d. You cannot. Why? Because d is we have declared d after this particular line. Okay, so make sure whenever you are declaring the value, after that only you can print, you can use those variables. Okay. Okay, one more small thing, that can you see that these yellow lines, these yellow icons are okay, these are called warnings. Just ignore these things. Why warning? These warnings are coming. See, some warnings are not coming for I and j. Why? Because you have declared I equal to 10, I equal to 20, j equal to 30, and you are using them. Okay, so Java Eclipse saying that I equal to 10, j equal to 30, I equal to 20, you are declaring and you are using somewhere. But you are not, you have declared k equal to 40, but you are not using k anywhere. So why then you declared? It's simple, one warning will be there, and if you read this particular warning, the value of the local variable k is not used. So Java is saying that, Eclipse is saying that you have declared k equal to 40, then why, if you are not using it, then why you have declared? A simple one warning is there, that because int k equal to 40, due to this line, k equal to 40 will be created like this. Okay, we have declared double d equal to this, d will be created like this. So unnecessary, you are okay, you are creating n number of variables and you are taking number of spaces in the memory. So why you are taking unnecessary spaces in the memory? Okay, so better to use them, otherwise delete them. It's up to you. Okay, so these are the warning, these are the not errors. So this will not reflect, okay, your program, okay, program execution. But whenever now you are running your you are going to execute your program, you are running your program, it will check main method is there or not. Yes, if main method is there, it will come inside the main method. It will see that okay, int I equal to 10, I equal to 20, int j equal to 30, step by step. System.out.println j, it will print j on the console 30, then k equal to 40, l equal to -1, then print the value of l, l is -1 will be printed, p equal to 0, okay fine. System.out.println I plus j, I plus j is 20 plus 30 will be 50 will be printed. Then all these values, then what is the value of d1? d1 is 34.44. Then it will create all these variables inside the memory, but we are not printing them, so it's not printing on the console. Then again all these values will be declared, and then we are printing s2. S2 is, hi, this is my first Java code, so s2 will be printed on the console. Simple. Okay, so this is called These are things related to different data types. Okay. Okay, so yeah, in the next section of this particular training, so we have covered what is Java, why Java is important, what is Eclipse, my first programming, okay, Eclipse, we have written different data types, what is system.out.println, and what is system.out.print, we will see in the next topic, in the next session. And then we will see string concatenation, different comparison operators, if-else conditions, loops in Java, array concepts in Java, advantage and disadvantages of Java, advantages or disadvantages of arrays, and all those things we will declare. We will discuss all those things. Okay, for today, for first session, I think it's more than enough. Please practice. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much.